Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man. Are you thinking about becoming a cleaning subcontractor or hiring one? Well, today I'm answering 20 most asked questions about cleaning subcontracting. Everything from pay, contracts, taxes, and how to make serious money in this business. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for success. Question 1. What is a cleaning subcontractor? Well, a cleaning subcontractor is an independent contractor who provides cleaning services under a contract with another business rather than working as a direct employee. So this means they handle their own taxes, set their own rates, and often work with multiple clients. Question 2. How do subcontractors get paid? Well, typically, subcontractors usually get paid per job or per contract. So payment terms are typically outlined in the agreement, and payments can be processed through invoices, direct deposit, business payment platforms like QuickBooks or PayPal or Zelle, the Cash App. There's different platforms they can get paid. Question 3. Are cleaning ladies independent contractors? Well, it depends. If they set their own hours, bring their own supplies, and work for multiple clients, they are independent contractors. But if they work under a company's control, follow set schedules, and use company equipment, they're likely employees. Question 4. How much do contractors make off subcontractors? Well, that varies, but contractors typically take a percentage anywhere from 10 to 40%, depending on the overhead costs, client rates, and the subcontractor's experience. So keep that in mind. What is a subcontractor versus a contractor? Well, a contractor secures a cleaning job. They go out there, sell the job, and they either have some kind of partnership, relationship, or have been following up with the clients. While a subcontractor works under a contractor to fulfill those jobs, and typically that's a scope of work. Think of the contractor as a middleman who manages the business side, while the subcontractor focuses on the technical cleaning side of things. Question 6. Do I need to issue a 1099 to my cleaning lady? If your cleaning lady is an independent contractor and you pay her more than $600 in a year, the IRS requires you to issue a 1099 form. If she is the employee, she should receive a W-2 instead. All right. Going into question 7, I want to preface, I am not a professional or expert when it comes to IRS rules. However, this is, just based on my past experience within the last decade. So this question is, what are IRS rules for housekeepers? Housekeepers can be considered household employees or independent contractors. If you set their schedule and provide tools, they are likely employees and should receive a W-2. If they work for multiple clients and bring their own supplies, they are contractors and require a 1099. All right, so we're jumping into question 8. Can I give someone a 1099 if I don't have a business? Yes. If you hire an independent cleaner as a private individual and pay more than $600 annually, you can still issue a 1099 NEC form, even if you don't own a business. Question number 9. How do I prove income for house cleaning? To prove income, keep your invoices, your payment receipts, bank statements. Many independent cleaners also use accounting software like QuickBooks to track their earnings and generate reports. Question 10. How much should I charge for a cleaning contract? Well, that depends. The pricing is on the size of the space, the frequency of the cleaning. The scope of work is, what we typically go around, and the services that are included. On an average, virtual cleaning contracts range from $150 to $500 per home, while commercial client contracts go from $500 to several $1,000s per month.
Hey, if you're enjoying this so far and getting value from it, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It really helps more people find this video. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out. All right, let's jump back in.
Question 11. How do you bid on a cleaning contract? Well, you start by calculating labor costs, supplies, travel time, and then the profit margin that you're looking for. Then submit a professional proposal outlining the services. Make sure that you have a good scope of work in there, the pricing, and the terms. And it's very important. The terms is very key in regards to submitting a professional proposal. Question number 12. How much does cleaning businesses make per month? Well, small cleaning businesses make anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 per month. Established businesses with multiple contracts can make $20,000 or more. And I personally have worked with subcontractors that are bringing in $1 million per month. So you could certainly scale your business up to that point and more. Question number 13. What type of cleaner makes the most money? Well, specialized cleaners in the cleaning services like medical facility cleaning, on-scene cleanup, high-rise window cleaning tend to pay the most, often exceeding $50 to $100 per hour. But there is risk within them fields. Keep that in mind. Question 14. How much do extreme cleaners make? Extreme cleaning jobs such as biohazard or hoarder cleanups can pay anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per job. That depends on the severity and the location of it. Question number 15. Can you become a millionaire owning a cleaning business? 100% yes, like I answered in the previous question. Many cleaning business owners scale their operations by hiring teams, landing large commercial contracts, and expanding services. It takes strategy, but it is absolutely possible. Question number 16. How do I get my first cleaning contract? I get asked that quite a bit. Well, first, you got to start networking, cold calling, offering promotional discounts, form relationships. You can also sign up for platforms like Thumbtack or TaskRabbit to find your first clients. There's a little bit of charge there. You also have, prime contractors out there that you can connect with and be subcontractors for them. Get your foot in the door, kind of get, and grow your business from there. And like I've said in the previously, there is nothing wrong with subcontracting. If you don't want to interact with clients and customers, you're more of an introvert and you would just want to really focus on the cleaning of the technical cleaning of the business, you can definitely grow your business. And like I said, I've seen individuals be over $1 million per month on being a subcontractor. So it is typically good, but it is, ultimately a partnership, with a contractor to a subcontractor. If y'all work hand in hand, y'all can really scale both y'all's business at the same time. Question number 17. How do I negotiate cleaning fees? Show your value, highlight your experience, provide a breakdown of your cost, and be willing to offer a package deal for recurring services. That's what I suggest. Question number 18. What percentage of the cleaning contract should be a profit? Well, the industrial standard suggests aiming for between 20 and 40% profit margin after labor, supplies, and overhead cost. So I think if you can keep within that, you got a good profit coming into your business. All right, so we're jumping into question 19. How do I get cleaning contracts with banks? Well, banks require high security cleaning service. So to land contracts with the banks, you need to register your business, insurance, and directly approach facility managers with a professional proposal. You can kind of build them relationships through LinkedIn, or you can, been in the real estate business. You pretty much got to do some door knocking. See if you can stop by the bank and get a hold of the office manager or the facility manager and see if you could provide them a proposal to clean their bank. Question number 20. What is the hardest cleaning job? Well, I gotta say biohazard and crime scene cleaning are amongst the toughest and the highest risks, requiring specialized training, protective gear, but they pay significantly more than standard cleaning jobs. Well, that wraps up the 20 most frequent asked questions about cleaning subcontracting. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips. And if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. And then what question was most useful to you? So see you next video. Keep it clean out there and have a blessed day.